Your eyes is big because you look like daddy. You look like daddy or mommy? Mommy! No, you look like your daddy. Hello mga kakilay, panibagong araw at panibagong vlog na naman tayo. And for today's vlog, kakain tayo ng atis. Ano yung sa atis? Hindi ko alam. Itong atis na ito ay pinitas lang ni mama dyan sa aming harapan. Hinog na siya guys, kainin na natin. Ganito lang kumain ng atis. Ayun guys, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakaka-vlog. We gonna eat. Ito.
Isampay mo yan yun doon sa halaman.
Atis.
Doon. Taob mo yan doon.
Si Rich.
Magkakadumi yan dyan. Bakit?
I'm on
Linisin
vlog.
yung dapolak ha. Saan mo yan kinuha?
So yummy.
Doon mo yung ibalik doon.
Si Bibi Rich, inaway. Sino nang away sa'yo? Who fight with What did Johan do to you?
Dyan at malalagay yan.
He's angry to you. Because? Wala. Johan, mo pinalo si Rich.
Ay, hindi ko yung pinalo.
Oh, hindi ko daw pinalo.
Wag nga, di yan.
Kawawa si Johan pa. Diet, Lola.
Saan? Doon sa halaman. Isaklo mo doon.
Na.
Huwag dyan sa kahoy ha.
Ayan. Ay, ito
Dini.
guys. Nagtatalo pa tayo ng atis.
Wag. Imbes na ayan ay tuyo.
Yun. Yes, because Johan is so kulit. Like Rich. Are you kulit?
Happy.
Ah, happy ang baby ah. Si Baby Rich favorite to.
Ayan ay unang bunga ng ate.
Baby, look. Don't eat the buto ha. Ay, nilunok.
Hindi.
Nag-shoot sa basurahan ah. Okay. Don't eat the buto ha. Did you eat buto? Toink! Toink! Baby, mommy will going to work. Ha? Lola will take care of you. Uy.
Pag marunong na mami o pera.
You want to go to work ang mommy?
Ilan noon ipinagpalit ako sa pera. Pera daw ang gusto niya, hindi ang mama.
Lagi akong may ice cream dad. Nagpapabili nga rin laruan. Wala ka mami doon sa work nga. Sabi, only Lula, bye. Only Lula, bye daw. Ay!
Mami, have money in the house, sabi niya.
You throw the bones. Ay, the bones. The seeds. Bones daw ang buto. My goodness. The bones of the atis.
Ano yun, animals?
Say mo, guys, let's eat atis. Say. Let's eat atis.
You like
Do
it?
you like it?
Atis.
Happy?
There's a lot of seeds.
Let's like the seed.
Don't
Don't eat the seed.
Ha?
Kaliit niya eh.
The seeds is rich is
The buto is flying.
you tell to everyone. Guys, we only get this in our garden.
Ew, something new, yeah.
Your tears is punas.
What is that?
It's a cat. It's a good cat.
Hmm?
From the patty.
You get it from the patty? Hmm?
Si Rich lang ang nagturo sa akin na English pala sa Arenola ay patty.
Is that your patty? Where's your patty? Hmm. Where's your patty? Sabi niya nga, Mommy, I want to pee. Ano kaya ang pee? Sabi ko, you have pee-pee.
Ano sabi?
No, I want to pee. Ano kaya
What is
yung
that
pee?
pee? Pera.
Mayong itim.
No.
It's
Tignan mo,
yummy, guys.
Johan, maligo ka na.
Yon. Sabi mo yun.
Maligo ka na.
Galit na ang lola. Listen to
Mag-aksaya ka
lola.
ng tubig.
Sabi mo kay Newham. Guys, look. The bird's eating the atis.
Yeah.
And then, Lola get the atis for Baby Rich. Right?
No, Mama.
You're blowing the butong.
Yun! Where's that?
Mango.
Mango.
The mango fall down in the floor.
Mm-mm.
In the
It go
roof.
down on the roof.
In the roof of the Lola.
In the roof of the room.
You tell, Lola, the ball is stuck in your roof. We see it in our house. You tell to Lola.
Oh, yeah, look.
What is that?
Look, there's a house. There's a mango. And that's us.
We will eating.
In our roof.
Mm-mm.
Throw it there.
The dog. The dog is happy. Bebe, the dog is happy?
No more atis na. Ubus na kami.
Baby is crying.
Uh-oh. Hala, my stapler is broken na, anak.
Don't touch
Ayan, in your face.
Don't touch the bala sleep. Pero ganito, rawa ka pa.
Ito, oh. I got a juice. I got your dress. Make me a princess, I guess. No. In the garbage can. Here. There's a lot of ants crossing by. See that? Oh no. This is yours, big one.
Now it's dirty.
It's not dirty, oh. This one is not dirty. Don't get that, it's dirty. I told you, yon. You will sweep it, huh? Why your shirt is wet? Why your shirt is wet? Look guys, my feet is so small. like a tiny one. Na. Hey, mom. Hi, guys. I look like...
Daw, mommy.
Okay. So, look at the... Kada? Game. Your turn. Your turn. Go. Your turn ba? Game. 1, 2. Look. Look. You show them to everyone. You show to everyone. Guys, we have a games. Oh my God, ang init. Hala, pawisan agad ako. Yulun up. I told you not to eat the seeds. It will going in your stomach and then you're going to poop it. Nalunok ni Rich yung bunga. Wala! Sabi mo kay Lola, I want to drink water. Huh?
Mama, this you sweepies broken nga. Oh. This you sweepies, Mama.
Don't. Only you wear it inside the house.
Okay, Mama, I will.
But it's broken na. There's no pear.
About that.
It's bulok na.
Okay.
What noise is that? Do you hear that?
You hear that sound?
Yeah. What sound is that? Oh my God. It's like cutting the trees.
The sound
Oh my God. Is that cutting trees? Lula, nalunok ni Rich ang buto.
going to kain.
Lula, the buto is inside my stomach.
Go out.
The udud is going on my stomach.
Yeah.
Hala, what is that? Hala.
Ay, that's a coca. That's a frog.
It's going on my stomach.
And then? Hala.
It's like a uod
Uod.
in your stomach.
Hala. And then?
Mama, where did the sound?
Hala.
The
It's
sound
udud.
Hala, the ud is eating it inside. Because you're eating junk foods.
Mama, fruits and veggies will is home
You only eat veggies and fruits, the doctor said.
said eat fruits and veggies home.
When you got home. But we don't have.
These the strawberry, apples, a mango.
Mango and what more? How about the veggies? You will eat the
Mama,
kangkong,
no,
the okra.
no.
That's
It's wrong.
Why it's wrong?
Eat broccoli and
Carrots.
carrots. Cause you make stomach ache.
Oh my God.
It's
You should eat.
It's a
Then-
very good food for
flour.
the stomach. That's a very good food.
The broccoli. What is the color of the broccoli? You want to try it? The broccoli.
I know that.
I
know
don't do
the
that.
color.
They are watching you.
Cute. Mama.
Hmm.
Red na. Here, guys. Mom's red ang eyes.
Because
Because?
Look, up watching.
watching what?
Because of?
Up watching Popita.
Look at Baby Rich eyes din, oh. It's getting bigger na, oh. Don't do that. That's bad. Hala, look the bird.
Look, your eyes is small na. Baby with this have big na.
Your eyes is big because you look like daddy. You look like daddy or mommy?
Mommy!
No, you look like your daddy. Nagagalit. Baby Rich look like daddy Kapugoy. Yeah.
Mama,
Who you look like?
fix you hair, Mama.
Let's fix yours hair is. My hair is so pangit. Go dali. Who you look like?
Mama, is that you hair?
Ouchie, ouchie. Your hands is so sakit. Baby, you look like your daddy, Kabagoy. Your eyes, your nose is the same.
Your ears.
Your ears.
Your pee-pee. Your pee-pee? Bebe?
Ang init ah.
Aliligo na.
Oh my God. No. I am wet na, oh look. Oh. The pawis.
The pawis is
The pawis is over na over. Hala, the birds are singing. You hear the birds singing? Don't go there. You will fall down there. Hello, hello. Dali, come on. Hello, hello. Dali na. Hala, ayan anak, ang daming uod. Yak, ang daming uod. Dali. Hala, the chicken of Lulu. Did you eat the chicken of Lulu? Did you feed them?
Yes.
Di ba Lulu told you that you need to feed the chickens? Huh? Hi guys, look at my feet. It's so small. 2 feet. It's like swimming in the ocean. Yeah. Oh, come on na here kay mami. Dali, go. Hello, dali. Shoo! Bibi, when I say...
Peekaboo.
When I... Ayun! When I say, where is your eyes? Show me. No. No.
Don't do that again.
Huh?
Don't do that again.
Why? Sige. Using muna A.
No.
What is your name muna? My name? Dali, I will do it again.
Don't leave me. I want you here with me. No, Mama. No, Mama.
I want you. You hear me? Ay, I'm wrong. Again. I follow you. Don't worry. Are you?
Don't leave me.
I want you here with me.
Ain't no way. You know it.
Patsa. Using ABCD muna. A. No.
Mama, don't do that again.
I'm so sorry. Bye-bye na to everyone. Dali, pumunta na.
Bye-bye, everyone.
You tell them because we're gonna go to our house and we're gonna clean our house. Dali. Dali na, go. Ayun na si Johan, dali! Ayun na si Johan! Hala, your stomach is, sakit na because you... Aray! Say bye-bye, everyone! Say bye, everyone! Say bye, everyone!
No.
Say bye, everyone! Thank you for watching! Bye-bye!